The question given is, a stone is dropped from the top of a tower. When it crosses a point 5 meters below the top, another stone is let fall from a point 25 meters below the top. Both stone reaches the bottom of the tower simultaneously. Find the height of the tower taking g is equals to 10 meters per second. So let us consider this as our ground level and there is a tower. We don't know the height of this tower. Let us take the height of the tower as h. Now let us consider this as our first ball and this as our second ball. Second ball is 25 meters from the top of the tower. When the first ball crosses a point which is 5 meters below the top of the tower, when the first ball comes up to this point, the second ball is released and both of the balls are going to hit the ground simultaneously. So first let us calculate, let us take this point as A, B, C, D. Now consider the region from A to B. Let us calculate the time taken for the first ball to come from point A to point B. For that, apply S is equals to ut plus half at square. Initial velocity is 0, so directly write it as half at square. So distance covered is half is equals to half into acceleration is 10 in downward direction into t square. This will be 5 times, so this is t is equals to 1. Which implies when the first ball has travelled for 1 second, the second ball has started its motion. So we can say in different word that if the first ball is going to travel for t seconds, the second ball will be travelling for t minus 1 seconds. Clear? And the first ball is going to travel a distance of h, whereas the second ball is going to travel a distance of h minus 25. Now consider the first ball from A to C. Write the equation S is equals to ut plus half at square. Again we are starting from rest, ut term will be 0. Here S will be is equals to h is equals to half into 10 into capital T square. So here we can write a equation, capital H will be is equals to 5t square. Keep it as first equation. Now for the second ball from D to C. C means ground level here. Again apply S is equals to ut plus half at square. Here S will be is equals to h minus 25 is equals to half into g 10 into time of travel here will be t minus 1 second. This will be traveling for 1 second less than the first ball. So this is 5. Now instead of this h, substitute 5t square here. So here 5t square minus 25 is equals to 5 into t minus 1 whole square. Cancel this 5 times. This is 1 time. Now bring the t terms one side. This will be t square minus t minus 1 whole square is equals to 5. So this is in the form of a square minus b square. So this will be a plus b minus a minus b is equals to 5. So from this we are getting an equation t is equals to 6 by 2 which will be 3 seconds. Now substitute t is equal to 3 seconds in equation 1. So here h will be 5t square which is 5 into 3 square. So 9 into 5 this will be 45 meters. This will be the final solution for this question.